Hey there YouTube, Chris KI4RDG here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Kenwood TS-2000X. It's new to me. I bought it off eBay, but okay, so let's get this thing opened up and take a look at it. Alright, first let's open it up, see what we got here. Here we have the Kenwood ARCP2000 radio control program. That's cool. Okay, set that aside. We got a big honkin' owner's manual right here. Man, look at the size of that thing. Well, it's probably in multiple languages. Let's see, we got the original Kenwood warranty form that's never been filled out. Okay. Let's see, we got... What else we got here? We got... I don't know if I can get an addendum to something here. No. I'll figure that out later. Got the full set of schematics for this bad boy. Yep. And here it is. Alright, I'm going to need two hands for this, so I'll be back with you in a second. Alright, here we are. We got the power cord. Got the typical Kenwood microphone. Look at that, the plastic is still on the screen. I bought this on eBay, and the seller said it came from the estate of a Silent Key. And I'm really starting to wonder if he ever used this thing. I mean, there's like, you see there's a few marks on it here and there. So I'm thinking it was unboxed at some point. But yeah, this thing has seen very little, if any, use. So let's go ahead and power it up and see if she works. Alright, I got it just hooked up to my little test bench power supply. I don't have an antenna, so I can't do a transmit test on it. But we will see if it powers up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we are. Let's see here. VFO, there we go. Well, that tunes. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do this. There we are. Where's the volume on this? There we are. That is a beautiful radio. I wish I had an antenna to hook it up to so I could do some testing and make some contacts, but I'm working on that. I just bought a 30-foot tower, and I need to get a whole bunch of other stuff along with the antennas to get it up and running. So thanks for watching, and I'll be posting more videos in the future as I get my new ham station set up. I'm not a new ham. I've been licensed since 2006 and a general class since 2008. But about 2 years ago, I sold all my ham equipment so I could start a business. And now that that's going and doing okay, I'm gonna get my ham stuff back together here, because I miss DXing. I love DXing and doing DX contests and stuff like that. So can't wait to give this baby a workout, hopefully within the next few months. So alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. 73.